round 8, chain 1, a single crochet here in the same place, 3 chain, count as first double crochet, and a double crochet into 2 loops of this first single crochet, three chain, a single crochet into 2 loops we had, into 2 loops, three chain, a double crochet into 2 loops we had from single crochet, and now we have this, a single crochet middle of next 7 double crochet, 1 2 3 4, into 4 we make a single crochet, and again repeat this, 3 chain, a double crochet into single crochet, these 2 loops, 3 chain, a single crochet into 2 loops, 3 chain, a double crochet into 2 loops, and a single crochet into next 7 double crochet, middle of this 7, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back. For close round 8 we make a slip stitch into first single crochet we had. Now round 8 is finished.